Hi everyone, it's Ruth from Ruth's Astrology and Tarot. Today is the solstice, December 21st. The sun has gone into Capricorn, and we do have Saturn and Neptune at the end of their cycle, which will end in January and February. I thought I'd do a 3-card spread for the December solstice, sort of for the universe. So what we're looking at is what to release and what to nurture, what guides us. That's the 3-card spread I'm going to do for the December 21st. So the first card is what to release. So the cards are going from left to right, so that we are going from 2025 to 2026. So I wanted to pull that first card for what to release in 2025. I just want to grab this card and see if it feels right, and I believe it does. So we have the Knight of Wands for what to release. So what to release is us being impatient, and I think traveling will be a little bit difficult in 2026, and maybe it was in 2025 too for many of us. So what we're releasing is the impatience. You can see in the Knight of Wands, the knight is just running forward, and you can see the horse is looking like, what in the heck is going on? Are we supposed to be doing this? And I think that is very much 2025. What we're releasing is being impatient, and the war-like energy of this night. And that's what we need to release, that impatience. It can be about travel, of course, but it's being impatient. So that's what we need to release. And that horse is saying, whoa, I don't know about this. And then what to nurture. So we're looking at a card to show us what we want to nurture. And it is the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Pentacles to me is a little bit of a difficult card. It's completion. All the tens are completion. But it is when we're looking at what to nurture, I think this is us looking at the old man petting the 2 dogs, the 2 women who are looking at each other and they look happy, a child that's hiding behind the women and petting the dog. We do have something that kind of looks like the Tower card over here, but there is growth on the old man, and there is the black and white all over here for upwards. So I do believe this is growth, but chaotic growth. So we're looking at what to nurture is kind of hard to find, and it does have to do with wealth and finding our grounding wealth, what we can ground with. So I think this is an interesting card. You can see there's just so much activity in this card, and I think that shows that 2026 needs to be nurtured, but it's difficult because there's so much going on. So the energy is of Earth, but it is so much going on. So right now we do have fire and earth in the cards. So we're now going to look to what guides us. What guides us is the 2 of Wands that is reversed. So this is the energy that is taking time to get there. When we look at it upright, you can see the energy in this, the explorer looking to the world, going forth and holding the world in your hand. But when it is reversed, we're going to hold all these 3 cards up. You're going to see that the cards are not really communicating. They are not looking at each other. Knight of Wands is going in the opposite direction. The 10 of Pentacles is our center card, and that is what to nurture. This is kind of telling us to nurture our money and our home life. And then here we have the 2 of Wands that is reversed. You can see that the globe is falling out of his hand. So I do believe 2026 is showing us that it's hard to find that guidance. The world is falling. And so I think 2026 looks like there's big transformations coming, and it is difficult to hold on to the wealth. It is difficult to hold on to things. This is Ruth from Moose Astrology and Tarot. I hope everyone has a wonderful December 21st solstice with that Capricorn and fish. Bye-bye.